Welcome to our Bizzabo booking platform review. Find links below for more info. Bizzabo is a premium event management platform for professionals organizing conferences, corporate events, and hybrid or virtual experiences. Known for its enterprise capabilities, Bizzabo combines powerful management tools with data insights for impactful, seamless events. A key feature is its flexibility managing in-person, virtual, and hybrid events. Create custom registration workflows with multiple ticket types, discounts, and conditional logic for detailed attendee data. Integrated virtual event features like live streaming and audience engagement tools make it great for hybrid events. Bizzabo also excels in branding. Customize event websites and registration pages for a polished, professional look. Its drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, rivaling standalone website builders. Bizzabo's marketing options are robust, integrating with major CRMs, email platforms, and analytics tools to track leads, segment audiences, and measure ROI. Automated emails, push notifications, and in-app messaging ensure high engagement. The reporting dashboard provides real-time data on registrations, attendee behavior, and session popularity, enabling real-time strategy adjustments. For on-site events, Bizzabo's check-in and badge printing create smooth attendee experiences. Security and scalability are key, making Bizzabo ideal for enterprise events. It's GDPR compliant and offers secure payment gateways. While Bizzabo's advanced features suit larger events, its pricing might not fit smaller organizations. However, for comprehensive large-scale or hybrid event management, Bizzabo is worth considering. Check the links below and share your questions in the comments.